Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete your phone number on Facebook. Follow these simple steps to remove your mobile number from your Facebook account. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Look for the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. This is the menu icon. Tap on it to access more options. Next, tap on the gear icon to access settings. Scroll down until you find Account Center and tap on it. Then, select Personal Details and navigate to Contact Info. Look for your mobile number on the list and tap on it. You will see an option to Delete Number. Confirm this action by entering your password when prompted, and that's it. Your phone number is now removed from your Facebook account. This simple process can help you protect your privacy and ensure that your personal information is secure. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay tuned for our next video.